Hello. So we will be modeling this sketch. Okay, so I imported the image already, and I imported one dummy also. Yeah, I scaled to the requirement. So start modeling. Yeah, let's see. Okay, somewhere here. Yeah, and I want it to rotate a bit, just like that. Should be enough. Yeah, and okay, let's create a curve, and then from here to here. Yep. So first I need to create a local plane so that we can use mirror to model the seat. So yeah, I will move the curve to somewhere here, approximating it. I'll hide the dummy, and then we go for construction plane, 3 points, apply. Okay, 1 2 3. Yep. Now we can assign it there, call it X, and then we can create a new layer. Assign this also here. Yep. Now so we'll on this. Yep, I'll start with the shape here. It's very simple shape, so we'll start with the curve. Okay, and I'll turn on the plane here. Yeah, I'll select this, set symmetry. So the symmetric is default to the axis here, 0 0 0. So we need to change. So for that we need to go select symmetric plane. Yeah, and now if we select this and then delete it, side symmetry. Set symmetric plane. Set. Okay, and now we'll delete this curve, we'll hide it, we'll turn off symmetric, we'll create a curve again, let's set symmetric to it. Yep, got it. And then we push it back till here. I'll keep it here. Yep. It's okay. Copy paste it down somewhere until here, and then just extend this. Seems like it's too big. Yeah, copy paste. We'll go to center, and then extend it out. Yeah, so you see that the offset from this line to this line is a bit high when compared to the bottom one, so we need to create one line from here, and we can mirror this. It's okay. We will delete that one. I'll set its pivot in the center and then mirror it, and we'll move it. Yeah, got it. Yeah, and now set all, and I think I need to shrink it a bit. So I'll set all the pivots of the curves to this center line, and then we scale it. That should be okay, I guess. And then okay, and we see that the same profile is followed like in 2 steps. Okay, so I'll copy paste it with top view, then move it, and then we scale a bit bigger. Okay, something like that, and then we copy paste, and then we move it back a bit, and then scale a little. Yeah, okay. So to make this shape a bit complex, we'll move it a bit like that, and then we stretch it. I don't think we need this curve, so I'm going to delete that one. Yep. Okay. And now we can hide the image dummy, and we'll concentrate on this profile. Yeah, so I'll start with simple skin, connect ends, connect ends, connect ends. Yep, and then go here, go here, and go here, go here, go here, go here. Yeah. Yep. And then we will have a square. Yep. So I'll make it 1 and 1 so that it will be easy for modifying the shape. So I'll make it 1 and 1. I'll select these curves, hide and select. I'll make it align so that if I move this, CV, the other CV also moves with it. Yeah. Okay. And we can create a curve from here to here again, and then we select all curves, hide and select. We'll go for square. Okay, no cannot. So I'll delete this. Back, square, come. Okay, I'm done. If we need to make it a bit more like curvy, we can just push it a little bit like that. And some more here as well. Here as well. What happened to this curve? Okay, so we changed it degree to 1 and 1, so you may not get the curvature there, so I'll just leave it there like that. This should be okay. Let's see if we can make symmetric. So unless we delete, it's history. Yeah, that's the start. Then we make this profile here. It is running over this. So for that, I will use this curve and this curve and this curve. Yeah, copy paste. We'll move it up a bit and we change the pivot to the center and we scale a bit. Yeah, okay, and then we stretch this, or we might extend also, and then we stretch it a bit out like that, and then we stretch this one up like that, and then we create from here to here. We create, and then we section it to center line and we delete it. Yep. So this same profile is running twice, so I'll copy, select all, we'll pivot, set pivot in here, copy paste, and we'll just move up a little bit like that, or I think it's better we do offset. Yeah, it's better we do offset this one. Delete it. Set offset. Set all the curves. I'll set to 4. Okay, and then we select this to 4. Yep, and then we select this, delete history. I'll extend this, extend this, extend this, extend this, and then section. Yep. Okay. Yeah, and then the same profile is running down, but this time we will select all these curves. Yeah, copy paste it. I'll move back a bit like that, put it down a bit like that, and then we select this curve and put it back more like that, and then we stress this. Yeah, okay. Yeah, and now we make skins again. We'll extend this, and then we make one skin here. I think I need to extend this a bit inside, and then we stress this here. We'll do the same here by stretching this to here. Yep. And then we go for skin again. I think we can extend this a bit, and then we stretch this curve back here. Yeah. Okay, and now we can just use surface multi-section draft. Select this curve, and this curve. Change the direction. Yep. We don't need crown. We don't need. Yeah. Why? We need to select only the curves, and then we will not get okay. So there is a profile here. That's following this shape. We will model that later. And now we start the main surface. So as you can see that this profile is flowing one flat here and then a slope and then again a slope. Okay, 3 lines for that. Say from here to here. Yep, and then one slope here, and then from here to here. Go from here to here. Yeah. Select this curves. We'll go for multi-section draft. Yeah. I think when we're modeling, we can change. For now, I think it should be okay. Yep. And then we need to model the so now let's start creating the curves for this seat. Yeah, so I'll just start with the simple profile there. We will model here, and then we can say from here to here, and then from here to all the way down, from there to here. From here to here, and we'll select these 2 curves and set symmetric. Put the curves in here. Delete history and symmetric. Create curve again. Set this symmetry. Okay. Curve again. Set symmetry. Yep. And then we select this curve. And from there it's going down like that, so we'll start from here and put there like that, and then one flat there, and then one curve coming from there, and it's joining here. Yep. And now I'll select these curves. Yeah. And then let's start giving the shape now. So I'll turn on dummy. For now we'll put the surface here, hide it, turn off the symmetric. Okay, I'll push this on the side till here, and then we will make this as degree 1, and then it's easy for us to and then we select this, align it, where is it? Performance interface toggle. My shortcuts were not working, so I have to on and off. Yeah. And then we align this to this, this to this. Okay, and then we can hold this curve. I can move it back a bit like that, and can rotate it. That. So the curve there, move it like that. Yep. This, I think we need to bring it down a bit more. I think we need to bring it more. Yeah, should be okay. Done this. Maybe I'll push this a bit more there, yeah. And then we select all the CVs here. Yep, and just a bit like that. It's not too big. Yep, and then we hide the C image. I'll see if set pivot here. I will mirror it. No, come here. Yeah, we can. But still we need to like follow these curves for this profile. We'll see. Yeah, so we have to modify these curves to match with this. We select these curves first and we'll change this degree to 1. Yeah, and then I think we select these curves first, and I will align this with this, align this with this, and I'll turn on hide this for a minute. Surfaces, everything we put here, curves as well, these curves as well here. Okay, and then and now wireframe, transparent mesh. Yeah, okay, well, we need to stress this. Should be okay, I guess. Turn on the surface. Okay, we'll turn on the curves here. think somewhat we can manage till here, I guess. Yeah, it'll be there. A little bit below the shoulder or above the shoulder, a little bit. Maybe you need to push it back a bit, like that. A bit down, like that. Pull it down. Okay. So now I'll hide the dummy. So we use this surface as our reference and we project these curves. We project these curves there. Before that, we'll just check once the image. There's one big flat. Let's go in there. This flat is big, and this is starting. I think I need to pull this down a bit. Yeah, should be okay. And then we bring this also down a bit. Yeah, because this line is starting somewhere here, so I have to do that. Yep. And these curves are starting here, so it has to start from here, and the rest is okay. This should be projecting out. So yeah, that's it. And now what we do is I'll select this curve and I'll dump it. So you don't need that curve anymore. I'll select these curves. This curve. I need to offset this. Okay, now I can I'll pick the curves, I'll dump here, and then yes, now we will turn on this and I'll project this curve onto this. Yeah. But you see that this surface is like offset to the base surface. So what we do is we are going to create this seed, and then we will offset this main base accordingly. Yeah, project it and extend this. Okay, so I'll just project this curve as well, and now inside this curve we'll delete its history, stretch these two surfaces, hide and select, and we'll stretch it. Okay, and then we curve fit this curve and this. Select this, delete its history, unhide all, and then I think we can delete this curve now, and I'll delete this curve as well. I think this we don't need it, so I'll delete that. Maybe we need to offset this. Don't need to offset. We just use this as it is. Yeah, and then we'll stretch this curve to here. Delete this. Delete this curve. We stretch this curve here. Okay. Oh, it's not connected, so I'll stretch this till here. Now we need to align this with this, this with this. I need to just it a little bit, and now what I do is I have to break I need to break this curve because I see a little bit of flat here, and then there is a fillet there, so we will detach it. Select the curve, hide and select, and we'll detach until there, and then hide it, and let's see if we can stretch this inside a bit like that. Stretch this again here, stretch this here. Yeah, but when it comes here, it should be flat. Yeah. Then let's say that it's starting from here at center point to here, and then you know from here to somewhere here. Yeah, and now I'll select all these curves, and I can do a mirror, and I'll move that to this curve. Yeah, okay, I will join this, join this and this and this. Yeah, so if you see, the width here is very less, so all we have to do is I need to delete this again, and we will try to align this with this, try to push this a bit inside. Yeah, and then we stretch this, and then from there to here, there, and then this until there. Delete. Select this, delete it. I need to do this as well. Yep, and now we can mirror, set pivot here, mirror, move there. That should be okay. Let's see the dummy. Yeah, I think it should be okay. So now we need to offset these curves, and for that I'll select this curves, copy paste, I'll set pivot in the center, and then I'll scale it like that, and then we'll push it down a bit. Oh, even better. I think I'll delete this. I'll select this curve and this curve, offset inside 4 or 6. Yep, and then we offset this minus 3.5. Yeah, it should be good. Okay, I'll select these curves and we'll delete its history. Okay, and then we extend this, and then section, yep. So we need this to snap here and this here. Yep. And then we select all these curves. We need to move it up this side. Yeah. And then we copy this curve, paste it, and then snap, move here. And then we copy this, paste, snap, pivot here. And then we select these curves, copy paste, we'll set pivot in the center and then scale like that, and then move it like that. Yeah, and then we select these curves, hide and select, and then section this curve. Unhide all. I need to delete this. Copy paste, we'll set pivot in the center, then scale. Then move it. Then select this, hide and select. And hide all. Select this. You don't need this. It'll hide all. Hide selected, and then snap this onto this curve. Hide all. Oh no. Okay, we'll align this. Right, and right up. Somewhere there like that. And then we connect this to this. So I need to shrink this a bit and then stretch it again till there. And then we need to detach it and then join that. And to create a curve from here to here, curve from here to here, and then a curve from here to here. So now I'll keep one, and then I will align this with this curve, align this with this curve, this with this, this with this, so that if I move this one curve, everything is adjusted. Yeah. Alright, and then I think we need to make this also 1 1, and we'll align this with this, this, line. Surface there. I'll delete this curve. I need to align this with this. I need to extend this a bit. I think it will work. I'll align this with this. We'll make it 1 as well. I think I need to I think it's in good position there. Maybe we need to align this with this. I think we don't need this curve for now. Copy from here to here, curve, make it 1, and the rest we can just make delete that. And then we it's offset, it is grouped, so that's why it's selecting like that. So I ungrouped it, delete that one, and then I'll select these set pivot here, mirror, move, yeah. Okay, then we connect this and then yeah, like that. Creating curves is very important. It takes time, but when it comes to surface development, it will be very easy for us. So the surface quality depends on how good you are creating surfaces with how good you are creating the curves. So we are done with this part, and we have this form here that we can do when we are doing surfaces. So now what I do is I will make this into a different group so that we can we can only do this one side and then we can mirror the other side, but we still need these curves as guide for the one. So I'll make one more layer, and then I will move it, yep, and then I need this curve, this curve, this and this and this. So I will copy paste it here. I'll hide this. We'll select all the curves. I'll dump here. Now we got this form here. The rest we can give the shape later when we create the surface. For now, I think okay this. So this is where the surface is starting there. So I will just the thing is we need only the this curve here, so I don't think we need this, then this. Apart from this one, we only need these curves. Yeah, we need to copy paste, or you already copy pasted it, so I'll delete that one. I'll just move this a little bit inside like that. Yeah, and then we select this and this. So I'll copy this curve, copy paste, set pivot, and then we move here. And same thing, I will copy this, paste, set pivot, and move. Okay. And let's create somewhere here. Okay. Okay, and then we snap the need to snap this to here and this to here. Oh, we need to move this to here. Yep. And so we will extend this back a little. Stretch this here, stretch this here. And then we copy paste this curve, pivot there, and then move. Then copy curve from here, here. Select this curve, and then we stretch this. And there. Delete that. Right. Delete this curve. Stretch it here. We'll delete those curves that we don't need, and then we delete this. Alright. Okay. And now we need to create only the surfaces, and maybe when we create surface we might have to create few curves, which is okay, we can create them. So now we have a curve, so we'll start creating a surface. We'll start here. Get a little bit of a little. Yep. So there's very minimal. Okay, so now we'll start creating squares. create this one? Yeah, okay. Okay. We have to make a mirror of it, so we can just make a center line here and then can make mirror. But for now we'll just leave it like that, and yep, we'll take all the surface, put it here, hide it, and now we create here some, that's mine. To move it up like that. Press this a bit more like that, and then we set pivot and see. So we need to borrow this curve. Yeah, we need to borrow this curve, and this curve. Yeah, I'll copy paste. Yeah, I think now it's okay. We'll join this. Join here as well. Yep. Okay, now we can start creating surface. We'll start square again. Undo. undo that. So if we move that locally, then we might have to lose the shape here, so we will just keep it like that, and then we create the surface. So it's like this. So yeah, all right, we create all the surface that we need to all of. Okay. I think we need to extend this a little bit. We don't have to, yeah, we have the curve. I wonder if okay. So we deleted its history, so we need to delete that and increase a bit more. Yeah, it's okay. Section draft, direction. Yeah, okay, that should be okay. So at this stage, I think we can start giving fillets to our surfaces, and then we will make a trim of this profile, and then we try to close the inside part, like the dark part, and then we do mirror. Yeah, so let's hide the dummy image. Image we need. Hide this. Hide. We'll create one more layer. Hide this. Select all the curves. These curves are for that. Okay, let's hide this. Yep. And then what we do is start creating the fillets. So I'll start with this. I'll go for surface fillet. Chord G2. go here, generous amount of curvature, so that is too much. 825. Update. Keep edge align. Yep. And then we'll go to frame view, create a curve, copy paste that curve here, we'll project, I'll trim, start. It's only these curves, so we'll use these 3 surfaces. We go for rail, G2, and in rail we need position. Yeah, okay, and select explicit, we'll make 5 and 5. So it's not working. What we do is we use blend again, and we go for square, edit, curvature, free, try explicit, give 5, 6, 6. Yeah, okay, unhide all, and then here we go for surface fillet. So these two, 25 is too much, maybe go for 10, edge align, undo. Let's see what happens. Auto update. Oh, it's not curvature. Try explicit. Yeah. Hang. Great. Okay, wait. Okay, keep 0.01 fast. Yes. Okay, and we'll select the surface fillet. These two go for 10. Edge align. Or 15. Yeah, okay. Now let's see if this thing is intersecting with this. Trim. What? Keep. Round. Yes, okay. That is okay. Tap it. Yes, okay. Surface fillet again. 15. Explicit, we'll make it 6. I got a problem here. Take off the bezier. No, we need bezier. Go for 7. No, 8. No. 6 should be okay. Expensive. And select the surface. We'll delete construction history, and then we align it. Edit G2. Yep, fine. And then create a curve like that. I will project these two surfaces with these two curves. Discard. Yep, and go top view. Create a curve from here and project it. Trim, revert, keep. Cut the curves. Okay. Now we can create a blend. I'll go for square. I did. We need 4 free. Yeah, and then again. Then again we'll go for surface fillet. I will go 50. That's too much. Yeah. 30 should be okay. Set the surface, delete history, align, G2. Yep. Okay, we'll go for top view. Create a curve. Project and trim. Blend. Square. And then here, surface fillet again. No. Okay, we'll go for surface fillet. Let's see 5. Bill. 1. Six. No. Remove explicit. I did. Okay. So if it is not coming like that, maybe we'll manually create it. So for that I will use curve it, select it, delete its history, set pivot. Somewhere here, and then we copy paste it here. I extend this, project and trim. We need to select these 3 surfaces. I'll create a blend. create this. Yep, and then go for top view. We'll project this onto this surface and trim. Oh, keep this square again. Is it fail? No. This go. So select all the curves, and we don't need that, so I'm going to dump it. Yeah, and then like I said, we will create a center line. Extend this down. Yep. And before we do the trim, we first give the fillets. So surface fillet, select all the surface like that, select one, try to create. Okay, it's taking time, so we'll pause the video for some time until it finishes. So we're back, and yep, this is how it is. Oh, that's the surface, yeah. I did it. Undo. Yeah. Close. Okay. We can use round tool as well. Just like that. We need G2 and 1. Let's see how it updates. Undo. Where is one right? Okay, revert, and we'll try 3. Update. Okay, I think the value here is not changing, so I need to select that one. I will give 3. Revert. Okay, I'll select once again. And now let's see. 3. we'll see the image and we'll see how much. Okay, it should look like a sharp one. The thing is here it's becoming big, so let's revert it back again. Select, yes. Okay, that's 3. Select this. We'll keep there 1. Bill. Oh, it should be okay. The thing is, it's not uniform all the way, but if you want to create it uniformly, maybe we need to use some other technique. Let's see. Okay, now mind. And so far so good. And then we have one option that creates flange. Yeah, this one. I'll say change select, and okay, keep normal. G2, we'll keep it 1 for now, and let's see. We want it to be trimmed automatically. Auto trim. Maybe that's too much. Let's see here. Oh, very bad. So we'll make it 0.5. This looks okay until here. It's getting worse after this, so we'll undo this. Yep. And we'll make a section draft. I'll select the change select. I will set normal this direction, and length we give 10. Let's see. Okay, and I think we need to delete this history and ungroup it. We'll ungroup these two surfaces, delete it, and we go formal section draft, take off this, and give something like this, create a surface like that. Outside this, we'll delete its history and extend it back a little bit, like that. Create a land square. Pretty neat. And then we select fillet. Oh, it's taking time to process. Okay, let's see. Okay. This can be fixed. Yep. Just like this and edit it again. Bezier connection check. We'll undo this. Yep. And we'll use round again. Let's see how the surface is created. So far it's okay. I'll just select these curves, dump it, and now we project the surface with this curve, trim, this curve. Project, trim, discard. Yep, and select this. Yep, and we don't need this for now, I guess. Dump it. Select the surface. So we will set the pivot here. Okay, and then we need to trim that one. I can select it. Okay, now go to top view. I need to project this. And frame. Revert, keep. Like this. Okay. So yeah, I'll delete it. Okay, so like this. Front, and we'll set pivot here. Yep. And we mirror it, and then I move it here. Yep. Voila. So we have the seed now. Right, we need to make this profile here, which we have to do. That we will do it later. So we'll start this now, or we can start with this. I will start this first, and then we'll go for that. Yeah. So now we'll hide this. and we'll start more giving fillets to this. Okay, so yep, this one seems to be a real very tight fillet, so I'll go for surface fillet. Code G2, and let's see, we'll go for edge line. We'll turn on this as well. I think it's not bad. Yeah, so we'll intersect this with this. Let's see if we can trim this one. No, cannot. Okay, so select this and this, hide and select. And I will project this surface with this. Let's see, yes, okay. Same this side. Oh, trim, yes. Okay. Okay, then we will do this first, and then we'll go for the center one. Surface fillet again. Let's look, okay, intersect this and this with this. Let's see, we can trim this one. I don't think we can trim this one. Let's try. No, cannot. Let's project this. Also project this, trim. Yes. All right. I think maybe we can increase this a bit. So for 15. It doesn't look like it changed actually. That should be okay. So we need to do here. So for that we might need a fit curve. Delete it, it's 3. Set here pivot, and we will move. I'll copy paste, move until let's say here, and then we move this until here. Yes, okay, and then we'll extend this, project these two surfaces, trim, yes, okay. So we'll select these 3 surfaces first, hide and select, blend, square, edit, make curvature. Then 3 we need position, and select explicit. We'll go for 5. Should be okay. Yes. And then we create a curve from here. Go front. Or maybe decide this. Make a curve fit here. We'll make a Okay, curve it here, this curve it, okay, curve it, and then we'll delete its history, set pivot, copy paste, yeah, there. I'll extend it. So we copy this curve, move here, project, select this, this, and this. Hide and select, create one more curve, square again. Yep, and curve it here. So further down, select this curve, this. Hide and select, curve it again. Delete its history, we'll extend this, then select this, we'll set pivot again, copy paste, move until there, and we'll move this here, and we'll project, trim, done this, create one more curve, square, yep. And now I need to fill it here. Before that, we will dump all the curves. I'll hide this for now, we don't need that one. Okay. I'll go for surface for that. Yes. Undo it. Okay. Okay, then we need to manually create, so curve it. History, extend, or better select this curve, tubular offset, fit curve, we need 15, and yes, okay, and I'll select this curve and try to extend it here and here. Yeah, 15 seems like it's too big. Set it, I'll make it 10. Yep, should be okay. So now I'll intersect this with this. Yep. Select this, dump it. I'll trim. Okay. Yep. Then we select this surface. Now I'll go for freeform blend We'll see chain select, edge align, check. We want G2 and G2. Edit G2, G2. Okay. Okay, now we'll do this as well. So select these three surfaces, hide on select. We'll go for curve fit again. Select the curve, delete this tree. We'll extend this, and this, tubular offset, and this. And then we'll intersect this with, select this, dump it, trim. I'll go for freeform blend, explicit, Bezier. Okay. Let's see. Yes, we do have a fillet here and here as well. These fillets should match with the seat. Yep. So we need to check how much fillet we gave it for this one. So I'll edit this. So fillet is 15. Okay. So I'll hide this. But I don't think we can give 15 here. Surface fillet, side this. I'll edit this one. It's 15. Okay. Let's see this. Let's see if we can intersect this with this. Okay, we need to project this. Okay, then trim. Okay, then project this with this. Trim. Let's see if we can intersect this one. Intersect. This and this. Trim. Okay. What happened here? Untrim. I'll make this one. We'll delete it and trim again. Okay. Go trim there. I need to project this again. Project. Trim. Yes. Okay. We'll see now. That's almost matching with it. So I'll just leave it there like that. And now I'll select the curve. Dump it. I need to give fillets here. I think I see there is one more surface here that needs to bulge out. I don't think we have to create this surface here. It's a waste of time. But anyway, we'll keep it there like that. okay, I'll just select this, will dump, or we'll keep it there like that. I'm going to use flange. We select chain, we'll keep 2. And let's see. I don't think we can create 2 because okay, we need to decrease the length to 5. Let's see. No, still can. No, let's say I'll try to still cannot. Okay, then maybe go for 1. There is a problem here. Okay. Let's see if we can sweep angle. We keep 60. We'll auto trim it. Let's say we'll keep it 30. That seems to be a bit okay. Maybe we need to decrease the length to 1. Yep, that seems to be okay. We have a problem here. X% is here. Mm-hmm. 6. Okay. Now we need to create surface filter here. I don't think we can use round because I can use round. Okay, we'll go for G2 to update. Let's see, 2 is too big, so I'll go for 1. This also 1. That's a bill. Yep. Okay. Yes. So we still need to do this. But before doing that, I think we need to do a mirror of this one. and yeah, we'll hide this for a minute. Hide this also. Select this. Yep, and we'll set pivot here. Okay, and then we mirror, move here. Let's see the dummy. Not bad. Okay, so we'll do the rest. On this. Okay, select all the curves. We don't need, maybe we can. Okay, down there, select all this, and then we can make it inactive. Select the object. Yep. Okay. I need to do fillets. This is going to be messy. Start the surface fillet. That's too big. Go for 10. Okay, so far good. Create a curve, copy paste, project. I need to project, and trim. Okay, that should be, there should not be a problem. For now, we'll select the surface, hide and select, create blend, square, and square. Edit. One is freeform. Hide all. I select these two, this, and select friend. We need to extend this. Trim. Hide and select freeform land. Edit, file, here. Okay, it's not working, so what we do is select this, delete it. We have a blend here already, so we'll select these two. Okay, we need to create one more blend from here to here. Go for square again. Yep. Let's see if that is done. We need to start doing this. I shall know. Select this object first and we'll delete its history because the curve seems to be messy, so we don't want to do this again. Anyway, so we need to do filler here. So for that I'll select filler again. That's too big. 5. Yes, 5 is okay. And then we project, trim. Yes, and then go fade again. So I'll delete its history, extend the curve, set pivot, copy paste. Here, move here, project, trim, select these 4 surfaces. I need to go for rail. Need to gen 1 position, and then we have to intersect this surface with this, trim, hide all, select the curves, down. Okay, and then we go for surface fillet again. Let's see. It's kind of big. I'll try 10. Okay, should be good. I'll go for front, project, trim, and then we use the same method where curve fit, set the curve, it's extend it, set pivot, no, copy paste, go for top view. We need to project this, top view, this, and then trim. Go for side, project, trim. Select these 4 surfaces, and select right, then intersect this, trim. Yep, hide all. see if we have okay, we already have the center curve, so I will project these surfaces with this curve and then this trim. So we'll hide this, so whatever that we don't need, we'll just hide it. So hide this as well. We'll select all the curves here, dump it, select all the surface, set pivot here, and then mirror it, and then move it here. Yeah. Before moving and mirroring it, I think it's better we do fillets. I will delete that one. I will make a layer. I'll push this into this layer. Up, it's like round. Yep. Let's see. Okay. Not bad. So now I'll select all the surface. I'll set pivot. And then mirror it and move it back here. Okay, I'll hide this, select all this. It wasn't fine. Yeah, okay. So we'll make it inactive. I need to do this. I need to do multi-section draft. This action. Okay, done. I'll go for surface fill there. Ten. Yep, and now we have to just connect it, because but I think it's going to be okay. We'll project this, trim, select the surface, square again. Edit. We want 1 and 4 to be free. G2. 1 and 3, G2 free. Yeah, okay. I roll. Dump the curve. So this surface, this and this and this. Curve again. Front view, project. trim the curve. Curve again. Friend, project, trim, square. At this point we use this and this, and then edit it, position. Yep. Okay, use round. Two is too big, so we'll go for one. Undo all. One. Set again, so everything is one. Set it is again. We'll go for square. Build. Undo. Okay. Anyway, pick, select, dissolve, hide it here, select this all, hide here. Okay, I'll make this as inactive, yeah. So now we have all of our seats, and now we can just select them and dump inside the folder, make it symmetric. Let's see, symmetry. Why? Did that. Set symmetric plane. Okay. Set as default. Symmetric. 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 No, this little thing is now coming symmetry. Okay, no problem. Maybe we need to set this symmetric plane. Set symmetric plane. Okay, we'll create a line. create a plane again, 3 points. Okay, 2, 3. Yep, and then we select the layer first, then set symmetry plane, select the set plane, done. Okay, and then we select these two, dump them, finish. So we have to do the covering here and the back part. Yeah. So for this, we have to offset the surface and then just trim it, or maybe we can use the curves that we created. We'll hide this. We'll hide this as well. Okay, we need this outer curve. Yes, so for that I'll create a new layer. I'll select these curves. Yeah, we'll copy it, paste here. Active. So at this stage I would save as it as a new file, and I will delete its history, so that if we do accidentally any modifications in the curve, the surfaces will not be disturbed. So yeah, so I save as already.